Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8K subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha, the curse, and it is cockery. Okay, let us start Nomafu, right? Nomafu had a visit from Nokubonga. So Nokubonga was saying, now I'm working fine, but I've got extra time. I will come to guard your child and whatnot. And in their conversation, they spoke about Unobuntu because we were all asking ourselves, so Unobuntu Pela Uzodwa was like a mother to them. Uzodwa closed the gap that everybody else couldn't close. So with that said, but maybe a girl is pregnant and then she doesn't want to come back home because she's pregnant out of wedlock. She doesn't want to disappoint the parents and. But I'm guessing maybe in April, Unokubonga will come back and then we'll finally see her role in which direction are they taking her to. Okay. With that said, sikhulume futhi ngoMabusi. Amkhulekele ke uZamcolo. Hey guys, a husband that prays for you. Qhubekani nijole nalaba ke banganikhulekeli nini. Nonetheless, amkhulekele uZamcolo, akhulekele uMabusi ukuthi hayi phela umvelase akamthule lo mthwalo sekubhlungu kakhulu, it's enough. All right. After ke asekaqedile ukumkhulekela sesibona nje nathi ukuthi hayi kumnandi athi umfazi wami uthwele kanzima and this needs to stop. Yazi ayenzeni, he took the first move to making the whole thing stop. Afonele uGajeni, afonele uNdlovu afike sekagijima ujabulile uqabanga ukuthi amalobolo ayeza kwakhe. Kanti no, on the contrary, it's something very different. Ayenze ijoke nyana ke uZamcolo to start the conversation, but eventually ended up telling him ukuthi I'm not going to take your child. Abuza uNdlovu ukuthi hawu uyenzeni, athi hayi Paula mdoko akenzanga next vele intombi eziphelele konke kuhle konke ku right. However, I love uMabusi and Mabusi alone, and I don't see myself sharing her with any other person. Nje ngifuna ukuthi nje enjoy, and that is it. And we were like, wow, men like these, hi Shem, South Africa. Mara maybe bakhona ngazi. When I wakho unje, comment down below. But let us continue. Ugabisile then comes to visit uMabusi, discusses indaba yesikhwama, right? How indaba yesikhwama kwenzakalani? uMabusi amchazela. While uMabusi is explaining that to uGabisile, uphakathwayo akekho. Buza ukuthi ukuphi. Usesontweni uphakathwayo ugive uphile vele akasena hope, uyasho ukuthi yazini sizohamba sonke, sengimele nje ukuthi sihambe ka1. There's no other way, there's no other solution. Okay, bamkhuthaza ke laba bamkhuthazayo, but uGabisile abe in the mission yokuthi I will find isikhwama. Makathi uhambe aye kaMzobe ayokhuluma nobaba kaMzobe, afike lapho ambuze hayi vele le ikhwama lezi kubonakala ukuthi ile ikhwama vele lezi uMamzobe anazo. Hayi confront uMamzobe ke hayi bahilisane man, and in that aqine ugirl athi ngiyosifuna ikhwama, azithole ikhwama. La sibheka khona ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani, angisho yasazi story siphele neda, but we all know ukuthi uphakathwayo will not see those kwamas with his eyes, like honestly. Yo, this is your girl Disebo D. I love you, peace, bye.